beginning a new chapter about the asexual reproduction. Before that, we are study about the metaphors, okay, and sexual reproduction. That all things regarding the importance of the development. New young one, new adult is developed from the offspring is developed from the parents, okay, the same as one the parent, the young one also look like. We are study about that all things in last few periods. In this period we are discuss about the asexual reproduction. You know the definition of the asexual reproductions. Oh, okay, now let's start here. So far we have learned about a reproduction in some familiar animals, but what about a very small animal like a hydra? Okay, it is a very small aquatic animal. It is found in our water. That's why it is a very interested. Whether you are observing the hydra, it's looking like alien. Okay, maximum students are interested to see the hydra picture. Okay, now here and a microscopic organisms like amoeba. Okay, amoeba is also one of the best creatures. Okay, one of the best gift from the nature, from the environment, because when we are observing amoeba, it is a different in shape, different in structure. Okay, that's why it is a very interesting. Whether you have interest in biology, you can draw the diagram of the hydra and amoeba and familiar animals. Okay, do you know how they reproduce? Let's find out. Okay, anyone know about the how they reproduce the hydra, how they reproduction in amoeba? Okay, no, anyone? Tell me. You must write in comment. Okay, get permanent slide of the hydra here. Okay, this is the diagram of the hydra, budding in hydra. Okay, how to bud is developed here. Okay, it is a small picture looking like here. Okay, this is the bird. Okay, when that bird is developed here, it is the developing bird. Okay, in second picture, and in third one there is the another young one is produced, budding in hydra. Okay, this is the mature, it is the developing, and it is the premature. Here observation then, using a hand lens or microscopic look out for any legs from the parent body. Count the number of the legs that you have seen in a different slide. Also note the size of the legs. Draw the diagram of the hydra. Okay, everyone must want to draw the diagram of the hydra and send me on the group. Okay, now this is in each hydra there may be one or a more plugs. Okay, these plugs are the developing new individual and they are called buds. Okay, this is the buds. Okay, this is the buds developing new individual. Okay, I recall the presence of buds in east in hydra too. Okay, they are same in bud and yeast. In hydra, to the new individuals develop as a outgrowth from a single part. Okay, this type of reproduction in which only a single parent is involved is called asexual reproduction. Okay, where why it is asexual reproduction? Because of the here a single parents involved in a reproduction. That's why it is a asexual reproduction. Since new individual develop from the buds in hydra, this type of asexual reproduction is called budding. Okay, This is a one type of sexual reproduction, okay, budding. Now another method of asexual reproduction is observed in the microscopic organism amoeba. Let's see. You have already learned about the amoeba and the structure of amoeba. Okay, here amoeba is a single cell organism. It being the process of reproduction by the division of its nucleus into two nucleus, okay, into two nuclei. This is followed by a division of the body into two, each part receiving a nucleus, okay. Finally, two amoebas are produced from a one parent amoeba. This type of a sexually reproduction is called, what is this? This is the fusion, binary fusion, okay. The reproduction in which animal reproduce by dividing into two individuals is called binary fission. Apart from a budding and a binary fission, there are other method type which are single parents reproduce a young one. You are study the following things, okay. Now here, let's see here, okay. In A diagram there is the parent amoeba, okay. In A diagram there is a parent amoeba. Again, the parent amoeba is matured. After the maturations, after the means increasing the size of amoeba, they want to separate. That's why separating the nuclei. The nuclei is so divided into two parts, okay. The dividing nuclei, here nuclei dividing, here the two separate daughter nuclei are formed, two separate daughter amoebas are formed, and that is called binary fission, okay. Here the most important thing is that cloning, the story of Dolly the clone, okay. Dolly the clone, okay. This is the cloning, okay. Clone means copying, okay. Here cloning is the uh, production of an exact copy of a cell, okay. And the other living part or a complete organism, okay. Cloning of an animal was successfully performed for the first time by a land well land walnut and has collegius at the Roslin Institute in Edinburgh, Scotland, okay. That all in Scotland. पहा, क्लोनिंग म्हणजे काय तर स्कॉटलँडमध्ये वॉलनट यांनी क्लोनिंग केली 5 जुलै 1906 पहिला क्लोन या जगामध्ये आला आणि त्याचं नाव होतं डॉली. पहा, दिसते का डॉली? ठीक आहे, तर ढोली नाही, डॉली, ओके. तर हे हाही क्लोनिंग याला म्हणायचं, ठीक आहे. सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं म्हणजे बायनरी फिजन, म्हणजे एका न्यूक्लियसपासून 2 न्यूक्लियस तयार होणे आणि एकाच सेलचे 2 तुकडे होणे, याला बायनरी फिजन असं म्हणतो. त्यानंतर आपण पाहिलं बडिंग. बडिंग म्हणजे काय तर एक कोंब फुटणे शरीराला आणि त्यापासून काय होणे, एक पूर्ण अवयव, पूर्ण वृक म्हणजे ॲनिमल तयार होणे, याला आपण बडिंग असं म्हणतो. ठीक आहे, हे असेक्शुअलचे काही प्रकार आहेत. असेक्शुअलचे बाकीचेही भरपूर काही प्रकार आहेत, जे ब्रायोफायटामध्ये पाहतो आपण. ठीक आहे, ठीक आहे. फंगायमध्ये पाहतो. ठीक आहे, बॅक्टेरियामध्ये पाहतो. तर ते तुम्हाला सिलेबसला नाहीत त्यामुळं. ओके, दिस इज सफिशियंट फॉर टुडे. आणि आपण काय काय शिकलो हे खूप महत्त्वाचं आहे. यामध्ये आपण असेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन शिकलो, बायनरी फिजन शिकलो, बडिंग शिकलो, एग, एम्ब्रिओ, एक्सटर्नल फर्टिलायझेशन, फिटस, इंटरनल फर्टिलायझेशन, मेटामॉर्फोसिस. Okay, oviparous animal, sexual reproduction, sperm, viviparous, and the last one is the zygote. Okay, read that key points. Okay, now this is sufficient for today. Okay, bye.